everybody, it's Infinite Bunny back with another video, and today I'm doing a review of my birds because well, they're basically my mom's, but she got them for her birthday, but she shares them with us, and it feels kind of weird, but these birds are dang so gosh. They're on my back, but that's them back there. I don't know if I showed you them, but that's them. The white one is Zero. The blue one's actually Mojo. This is Mojo. This is Zero. Say hi, guys. Say hi. Sometimes they like coming on your hair. Look, say hi to the camera. Whoa, he's very cute. I love this bird. I like the other one too, but where's oh, there you are. He's on my back. Peekaboo. Okay, I have played peekaboo with them. Come on, Zero. They sometimes, Zero's the shy one. Okay, there they are. Back on my neck. Oh, they're digging into my neck. Oh my. But it's really cute. These are just my birds. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I will see you all next time. Bye.